hi Heaven. I have a question again. The father is the blank in the family. A. Haligi.
Sa haligi.
Just choose. B. Halimbawa. C. Halimaw.
3, 2, 1.
Halimaw.
What?
So letter C.
Yeah, what is halimaw?
What is your answer? So letter
C.
Ben, are you sure?
What's halimaw?
Abat ba?
Abat?